To Elysium Analytics. I'd like to share the benefits with augmenting your security analytics with a modern cloud data platform leveraging the Snowflake Data Cloud for greater ingestion capability, near unlimited data retention, elastic query compute for all your telemetry. In this builder video, I'd like to demonstrate some of the key features in Snowflake that we leverage, ranging from the data pipeline in ETL to the search optimization and how we map it into the Elysium data model. And then we also leverage Snowpark ML for anomaly detection. And then last, I'll talk about data sharing, how we use a marketplace, and then I'll just leave you a few key takeaways. First off, you're looking at our integration. We provide out-of-the-box integrations, allow customers to quickly onboard data that build ETL pipelines inside of Snowflake. Let me show you that. So basically what we do is that we have a layer here where customers can set up these pre-built connectors to get data directly into Snowflake using the API, loading it directly in there, or using something like Logstash and sending it directly to them, and then sending that data up to Snowflake, which is loaded into the pipeline. And then we enrich that data here, and then we provide analytics tools for searching and analyzing the data and visualizing that for search, security, and observability across the entire data set, all running natively inside there. Next, what we do is we also provide a search interface, so we allow a Kibana-like interface where they can run investigations. And then here we leverage the search optimization capability in there for fast lookups across large data sets, something you're not able to do in other products like Splunk. And we can investigate that. And all that does is it gets mapped into our open data model that the analysts can then pivot over to other data sources for investigation. And all of this is basically converted into SQL. As you can see here, basically this is just a SQL from our KQL, our query language, converted into SQL to do fast lookups of the data. And then next, basically, I want to talk about our anomaly detection, where we use the Snowpark ML to basically create these detectors where users without any code can select an indicator, select columns, and set up a model on that data, all that running natively inside of Snowflake using the Snowpark ML. And then last is that basically we also use data sharing. So with our security posture here, we bring in multiple signals across different data sources like Palo Alto Networks and Netscope, but we also leverage capabilities inside Snowflake through the marketplace to threat feed lookups. And so we merge all that data in here so we have a single interface where the analyst can investigate threats ranging from insider threat to compromised credentials. And so the key takeaways are that we optimize the data. Data is not moved anywhere outside of Snowflake, completely optimized for Snowflake. It's fully native. All workloads are distributed inside of Snowflake, use Snowflake components, compute to perform tasks. And then last, our cost model. Very inexpensive, basically directly proportional to Snowflake billing, allowing customers to basically meter their usage and able to control their cost. Thank you very much for your time.